Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, first of all, we do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar. We got FOMC tomorrow, and I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in and check that out. But on the Aussie dollar, as of now, I mean, yeah, this is pretty strong down, but I definitely am still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think it's going to be three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and one, two, three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think it will go up and take out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely am still looking at this as an uptrend. I think this is like a wave one. I think this is a big ABC correction like a wave two. I actually think this is a one of three, and I think this is an expanding flat wave two of wave three, and I still think this is going to go up for a wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think there's a nice big clear three waves, five waves up right here. I mean, as this is what I'm calling the wave one of wave three. Then we have one, two, three waves down. We have one, two, three waves up, and it looks like we're forming one, two, three, four, five waves down. A 3-3-5 pattern is a very recognizable pattern in Elliot wave. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C. I think that's an expanding flat. I think it's a wave two expanding flat, and I think there's a very good likelihood this will continue the uptrend for a wave three, especially with that big interest rate news that we have coming out tomorrow. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for shorts. I'm actually still short on this. I think it's very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely a wave 4, and I think we need to go down again for a wave 5. I think what's likely to happen is between today, tomorrow, before the interest rate news, we're going to probably finish off a wave 5, and then we're probably going to go up, break structure, and most likely continue the uptrend from there. Now, for me personally, I'm not even going to think about going long until we actually get a breaker structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely only looking for shorts. We do not have a structure break yet, so there's no reason to do anything at all except for look for shorts in a downtrend. I'm actually already short on this, and I think it is very, very likely to be a wave 4. I think this is likely to be a wave 3. I think we're going to go down at least back to this lower Fibonacci level for a wave 5. Possibly could even push past this Fibonacci level. Either way, I'm definitely looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend, at least until we get a nice double bottom breaker structure to the upside. I'm definitely on the short side. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.